Isang pinagpalang tanghali po. Kami po ay narito ngayon sa Agape International Church. We are here in Agape International Church. Our senior pastor, Reverend Pastor John Caleb. At ito ang kanyang daughter, ang kanyang anak. Yan, Happy New Year! Okay? Annyeonghaseyo! So kami narito para magbigay ng kasiyahan. At he is a pastor. Pastor, can you give one word for New Year message for the listeners, our YouTube? So he is our senior pastor, Agape International Church. He is Reverend John Caleb. So Pastor, can you give us some encouragement to all our televiewers and little Hanguk and then English, so you can talk, sir, Pastor.
Let me speak first Korean.
Yes, Pastor.
새해 복 많이 받으십시오. 올 한 해 주님의 은혜와 축복이 이 유튜브 시청자들 모든 분들 가운데 함께 하시기를 주님의 이름으로 축원합니다. Happy New Year. I wish every YouTube viewers, I wish God bless you, God continually be with you, God continue to provide grace and blessing upon all YouTube viewers this year 2010. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
So thank you very much again, Pastor John Caleb. He is the one. He is our senior pastor here in Agape International Church, Yontek in South Korea. So once again, to all our televiewers, always watch my YouTube, Mr. Kentra YouTube International Ministry. So it's me, Brother Arnold Cantoria, BIP. Very important presentation. So beloved and friends, I tell you, ang nais ko po ay magbigay ng kasiyahan at paalala. At ito po ang pagkakataon natin para po tayo po ay makapagbigay ng paalala sa lahat ng mga televiewers po natin. At ito po ang nais ko munang ipalabas. Okay? Dahil sabi ko nga po sa inyo, ay meron po tayong mga simple illustration na nais ko pong ipaliwanag sa inyo. Huwag niyong gagamitin. Okay? Huwag niyong gagawin. Reminders to all children, kids, or even the parents, lahat na nanonood, mga bata, matanda, huwag niyong gagayahin. Dahil ito ay isa lamang sikreto at may technique. At paalala, maging maingat at maging matalino sa inyo pong gagawin ito. Huwag niyong gagawin, kundi kami lang. Ayan po. Meron po akong Philippine money, coin. Yan. It is Philippine money. Ito yung ginawa ni David Blaine na kinagat. Pero paalala po natin, huwag niyong gagayahin. Okay? Ako lang po, it's me. It is only a technique or secret. Watch.
엄마 어디 가셨어? 엄마 가요. 아빠 좋은 데면
Oh, it's broken. So mean to say, already broken. It's only me. So don't do it. Next time, I will try again. I hope you can see what is the real, what is the secret. Paalala, huwag niyong gagawin ang mga bagay nito sapagat ito lamang po ay sa mga nakakaalam ng technique. Tandaan po natin, ay isang paalala po sa lahat po nating mga nakikinig. Ito ang tinatawag nating coin bite. Kinagagat at natuluyang kinagat natin at natuluyan po nating ginagawa sa oras nito. At papatanayan ko po sa inyo na anuman ang ginagawa natin, kailangan po ay may secret. Ang secret nito ay merong pong technique. Kaya paalala sa lahat ng mga bata, huwag niyong gagawin, huwag niyong gagawin ang sikretong ito. Okay? Paalala muli. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It is a Philippine money. Coin. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay hindi magic. It's not a magic. It's not a magician. Only visual arts. What is the secret? This is the secret. There's a rubber. So, rubber. Okay? Only just fold. Watch. So, only like this. David Blaine did. Okay? The secret is just only fold. Only like that. And then after that, just fold. in the bank, fold, watch, fold.
여자 열어둘리고.
See? So it's not a magic. And then after that, release my finger. 1, 2, 3.
옛날에 유머할 때.
See? So David Blaine, he did. So Brother Arnel also I did. That's my promise. 2011, I have a tricks rebuild in my YouTube, Mr. Kentry BIP. Very important presentation. Beloved and friends, sa mga children, sa mga bata, huwag yung gagawin, maski sa mga magulang, dahil ito lang po ay mayroong secret o technique. Maraming salamat. Happy New Year. God bless you. Tandaan po natin, bawat palabas mayroong kahulugan. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
God bless.
Happy New Year.
Oh, it's our musician, pianist, violin, and then she is a talented. Sister, what is your name? Can you tell your name? Irum.
My name is Christina.
Christina. Okay. She is our number one good musician. Okay. So, okay. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.